Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we'll see how we can print multiplication table of a given number. So without wasting any single time, let's get started. First, we will create a public static void method. We don't need any return type. I will give multiplication table as a method name, and we will need one number as an input, int number. Now, first, what will we do? We'll start a for loop starting from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to 10, because usually there will be only 10 numbers in our multiplication table for a given element. So right now here you can see this is a simple syntax where I am initializing a for loop, and I'm starting the for loop from I is equal to 1 till I is equal to 10, and for each particular element I will print one element of that particular multiplication table. So first we will print number, then we'll give x means into symbol like multiplication symbol plus, then ri, what is the position of the element, then plus, then again in the string we'll give the equal to symbol plus, we'll give the actual output here, that is nothing but num into I. So now this will print the multiplication table of our given number. So let's create a main method, and I will give number as a 2. Will print in multiplication table for 2. I'll just call the multiplication table method and I will just pass this variable number. Now it will print the multiplication table for this particular number. Let's execute the program. So here you can see we have successfully able to print the multiplication table for 2. Similarly, you can give any number if you want to print for 10. Just execute again. You will get the multiplication table for 10 as well. So this was a small program to print multiplication table of a given number. So that's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.